Friday, or Yom al-Jumu'ah, holds a special place in Islam. It's not just the end of the work week, but a blessed day for worship and spiritual renewal. In the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Jumu'ah, verse 9, it says, "O you who believe, when the call is proclaimed to prayer on Friday, then hasten to the remembrance of Allah and leave off business. That is best for you, if you only knew." This verse clarifies the obligation and spiritual importance of Jumu'ah. Jumu'ah prayer is special because it replaces the dua prayer. It has two main parts. The Imam delivers two sermons which are very important. These sermons shed light on religious, moral, and social issues. Listening attentively to the sermon is obligatory. Prayer. After the sermon, a 2-rakat prayer is performed with the congregation. Conditions for Jumu'ah. Certain conditions are necessary for Jumu'ah prayer. The prayer must be performed in a designated place, like a mosque or a place of congregation. There must be at least 3 or more men, including the Imam. Jumu'ah prayer is recommended for adult women and travelers, but obligatory for men. Etiquette of performing Jumu'ah. Taking a ghusl. Taking a ritual bath on Friday is sunnah, recommended. Wearing clean and nice clothes. Maintain cleanliness and applying perfume is recommended. Reading Surah Al-Kahf. Reading this surah brings blessings. Arriving early. Arriving on time for prayer and offering sunnah prayers is important. Reciting Durud Sharif. Sending blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is highly encouraged on this day. Spiritual and social impact of Jumu'ah. Jumu'ah prayer is a demonstration of equality and unity among Muslims. People of all backgrounds stand shoulder to shoulder, strengthening their connection with their faith. The Imam's sermon sheds light on every aspect of human life and guides people with the teachings of the Quran and Sunnah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best day is Friday. On this day, Allah created Adam, admitted him into paradise, and expelled him from paradise. The Day of Judgment will also take place on a Friday, Muslim." Conclusion. Friday is a means of Allah's mercy and blessings. This day provides an opportunity to renew our faith, make dua, and strengthen our spirituality. We should all spend this day with sincerity and devotion.